What are you doing?
I am learning English at Eng EduTech.
Very good. I am learning English at Engagitech. What is the man doing?
The man is working on a computer.
Yeah, the man is working on a computer. What is the boy doing?
The boy is playing with a dog.
Oh yeah, the boy is playing with a dog. What is the woman doing?
The woman is cooking.
Yeah, she is cooking. The woman is cooking. What are they doing?
They are playing.
Oh yes, they are playing. The children are playing. What are the horses doing?
The horses are grazing on the ground.
Yeah, the horses are grazing on the ground. What is the child doing?
The child is sleeping.
Oh yes, the child is sleeping. It is sleeping. What is the dog doing?
The dog is playing with a ball.
Yes, the dog is playing with a ball. What is the bride doing?
The bride is showing her hand.
Oh yes, the bride is showing her hand. What is the kitten doing?
The kitten is staring at us.
Oh, the kitten is staring at us. It is staring at us. What are the persons doing?
The persons are discussing.
Yeah, the persons are discussing. Perhaps they are discussing some official matter. What is the girl doing?
The girl is climbing on a ladder.
Yeah, the girl is climbing up on a ladder. What is the boy doing?
The boy is writing.
Oh yes, he is writing. What is the girl doing?
The girl is taking tea.
Yeah, the girl is taking tea. What is the woman doing?
The woman is reading.
Yeah, the woman is reading. What is the teacher doing?
The teacher is teaching.
Yeah, the teacher is teaching. What are the two men doing?
The two men are taking photographs.
Yeah, they are taking photographs. What is the man doing?
The man is playing on a flute.
Yeah, the man is playing on a flute. What is the driver doing?
The driver is tilling field.
Yeah, the tractor driver is tilling a field. What is the farmer doing?
The farmer is sowing seeds in the farm.
Yeah, the farmer is sowing seeds in his farm. What is the woman doing?
The woman is grinding.
Yeah, the woman is grinding. She is grinding. What is the duck doing?
The duck is swimming.
Oh yeah, the duck is swimming. It is swimming in a lake. What is the bird doing?
The bird is sitting on a tree.
Oh, yeah. The bird is sitting on a tree. What are the children doing?
The children are going to school.
Yeah, the children are going to school. They are going to school. What is the woman doing?
The woman is cycling.
The woman is cycling. What is the boy doing?
The boy is playing on a guitar.
Yeah, the boy is playing on a guitar. He is playing on a guitar. What is the woman doing?
The woman is sweeping a ground.
Oh, yes. The woman is sweeping a ground. She is sweeping a ground. What is the nurse doing?
The nurse is doing vaccination.
Oh, yeah. The nurse is doing vaccination. She is doing vaccination. What is the girl doing?
The girl is plucking flowers.
Yeah, the girl is plucking flowers. What is the man doing?
The man is riding a bike.
Yeah, the man is riding a bike. He is riding a bike. What are the women doing?
The women are doing makeup.
Yeah, the women are doing makeup. What is the woodcutter doing?
The woodcutter is cutting a piece of wood.
Yeah, he is cutting a piece of wood. What is the child doing?
The child is taking a bath.
Yeah, the child is taking a bath.